The following message is transmitted at the request of the Grand Chute Police Department. A car matching the description of a vehicle sought in connection to the deadly shooting at the Fox River Mall has been located outside a home in Oshkosh. A blue Dodge Avenger with Wisconsin plate AHP 7939 was found in a driveway at a duplex on 20th Avenue. The car is believed to be driven by Desmond V. Ellis. Grand Chute police say they want to interview Ellis in connection to Sunday's shooting in the mall food court. Desmond V. Ellis is a black male. Date of birth is June 10, 2003. Ellis has black hair, brown eyes and black facial hair. Investigators believe Ellis is armed and dangerous. If you have any information about the incident or where Ellis can be found, investigators ask that you immediately contact Grand Chute Police by calling the department at 920-832-1575. More information will be provided as if it becomes available.